Hey, so we have more biryani!
Oh wow! Yay!
Biryani!
Applause!
Check it out, guys!
And we just have it as a little fork.
Whoa! I'm gonna mix it, give you the beautiful look.
Hi, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Smply Cooking channel. Today we'll be making Malay Chicken Biryani using our Shan masala. So let's cook together.
One big pan. Half a cup oil. 1.5 small red onion. 1 small cinnamon stick. 6 cloves. 8 peppercorn. Turn the stove to medium to high heat. Saute your onions. Keep stirring. Nice and golden. Ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon minced garlic, small aroma tomatoes sliced up, store-bought fried onions, half a tablespoon pink salt, half a tablespoon Shan red chili powder, half to 1 tablespoon my spices, half tablespoon red chili flakes, half a packet of Shan Malay Chicken Biryani masala. Give a quick stir. Add half a cup of water. We're gonna increase the temperature just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna give a quick stir and cover the lid and let it simmer, come to a quick boil. Let the chicken come apart from its bone. Already smells so good, mashallah. Now we're gonna lower our temperature. Give a quick stir just so that it's not sticking in the bottom. And also add some green chilies. On the side here we took 2 small potatoes cut into 10-11 pieces depending on if you want big potatoes or small potatoes. So I always like potatoes in my biryani. This is the golden brown color crust that we're looking for. Beautiful, mashallah. Now we will add this to our gravy. Give a quick stir. It's still tacked with our bone. Inshallah, when it comes inshallah, when it gets separated, then you'll know that your masala is fully cooked. So we're gonna let it simmer again. Instead of on low heat, we'll increase our temperature just a little bit. While we're waiting for our gravy to get cooking, my son, he's awake, so I thought I'd make some sweet potato fries. Our chicken gravy for the biryani masala is done. It's fully cooked. And when I said the chicken pulls out the bone, like it comes separate, this is what I mean, guys. That's how I know my gravy, my meat, everything is fully cooked. Look at it. It's literally like saying, take me in your mouth, eat me. Beautiful, mashallah. Look at this beautiful lal red color, guys. We're looking for that beautiful Pakistani restaurant style korma masala look, guys. Look at that tail. This is what we're talking about. If it ain't no fat, guys, it's not biryani, guys. Beautiful, mashallah, subhanallah, alhamdulillah. Oh, let's just look at it. Where's my paratha? Where's my naan? Where's my sheermal, bro? But too bad, I'm gonna make it into a biryani. Beautiful. Alright, so this is what's happening in the house. We're making more fries because my son's fries are not his fries anymore. So we're making more fries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just put the lid back on, turn off the stove, and enjoy some homemade fries with my baby. And then we'll go ahead and finish up this biryani. Alright, stay tuned, Assalamualaikum. Stay tuned, don't go away. Wash and soak your rice. This is about 21 ounces of rice. To boil our rice for biryani, we are going to take the cast iron. It's Crofton's cast iron. I bought this from Aldi. Hashtag not sponsored. Beautiful, I love the color. Check it out, guys. It's amazing. This is about 4.6 quart. Beautiful, love it. So I'm gonna take out the lid here. In goes the water, as you guys can see, the level. Turn the heat on high. One lemon slice. Little less than half a teaspoon pink salt. We're gonna cover the lid to speed up the boiling process. See, this is already 3/4 cooked. I'm gonna go ahead. Beautiful rice. Look at it. Alright, now let's assemble. This over here is not a regular oil. It's actually home fried onions that I like to keep because it's really good when you're cooking kormas or chicken karahi, things like that. It gives a really good aroma. So I don't throw away the oil. I keep it because it has that homemade fried oil, fried onion aroma to it. So it gives a really good touch to your biryani when you're making. So I'm gonna take this oil. That's what this oil is all about. It's like the gem for the biryani. So I'm gonna drizzle like a table or two before I start putting the the rice. A little bit of this biryani masala and just spread it around the oil. Masala. We took half of that batch of rice. We're just gonna simply spread it. Potatoes. And your masala. And basically, just press everything down. Or cilantro. Some mint. Alright, in goes the remaining of the the rice. And there we go. Sprinkle some more of those homemade onion fried onion oil. I have 4 green chili. Just gonna poke it down anywhere. In goes this. In goes this. Sprinkle some food color. We'll place a sheet of aluminum foil on top and cover it and put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and inshallah it will be done, and then we'll take you on a journey. Alright, mashallah, we're ready to reveal
The unveiling.
Da, 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 da.
Doesn't look like biryani right now, but it will
It
soon.
will. Let me just give it a little stir, guys.
Right. We're waiting for it. The fans are waiting for it.
Oh, check it out, guys. That
Either this will be the most awesome biryani or this will be the biggest disaster.
it will be awesome.
Alright. It's all about your fans.
Alright, so I have my husband on the other side of the camera.
Hello guys! I hope you know that she makes amazing food. But I like to bug her about it.
Alright. Alright. I'm gonna plate this beautiful thing.
You might want to do a little bit more on the other side, I think.
Yeah, I'll do that. And then I'll plate it and then we'll do a taste test. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the Sean's Malay Chicken Biryani. Malay Chicken Biryani, I think that's what it's pronounced. It's not sponsored video. It's all on my own. Check it out, beautiful, love it. Alright, we're gonna do a taste test.
Guys, here we go. Let's see how good this tasty looking biryani is. It just looks or the substance play into it as well. Let's see. Alright, let's do this. Let's have the rice first. It's amazing, delicious. Now let's have it with this. Some chicken. Man, this is really good. It is superb, guys. Awesome. Blend of masala and spice is just perfect. Not too much, not too less. I'm not a big fan of spicy biryani, like extremely spicy stuff. But like this hits all the sweet spots, guys. Amazing. Right. Truly delicious.
Alright guys, let me know. Comment below.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Alright, thank you guys. Until next time, take care. Assalamualaikum.
Take care, everyone.